Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit PDF file in Google Drive. So let's get started. First open any web browser and go to drive.google.com. Log in with your Google account. And on the Google Drive, you will find the PDF file that you wish to edit. Let's suppose this is the PDF file that I wish to edit. Now right click on the file, go to Open With, and then select the option Google Docs. This will take 5 to 10 seconds to open the file in Google Docs. Now this is the file that I wish to edit. Now here you can make any changes to text. You can change the font, even you can change the font color. You can add or remove the image from this file. Let's edit some of the text from this file. Once you make the changes, click on File menu, go to Download, and simply select the option PDF document. So now the file has been downloaded to PC. When you open the file, you can see that the PDF file is now changed. You can again upload this PDF file to Google Drive. So that was the easiest way to edit PDF file in Google Drive. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.